Canada Mortgage and Housing Corporation was scaring us of a market crash, but so far this year it has done little to slow down the market. The prediction was a 9% to 18% correction, but the housing market crash never came. And now CMHC is backpedaling. Some of the factors that have led to this is we're saving more, we're spending less, and there's been small amounts of immigration. And one of the cool things for me as a real estate agent has been reverse urbanization. Basically, people have been moving out of Toronto and they've been moving to cities like London, Ontario, where I happen to be, because you get a bigger bang for your buck when you're buying real estate. You get a bigger house, bigger mansion. We've all seen those, those little houses in Toronto they spend $1 million on. $1 million gets you a lot more bang for your buck in different Canadian cities. So many Canadians have lost faith in CMHC after the failed market prediction crash. The housing market has stayed strong in 2020, and it was a record-breaking year for Canadian home sales with over 550,000 residential sales. And that was an annual record. And what do you guys think of the market activity during the first quarter? Do you think it slowed down at all? Has anything crashed? Not yet. It has been absolutely insane. And every real estate agent I talk to, especially real estate agents that deal a lot with buyer agents, their buyers have just kind of quit. They just can't win. Everything is going in multiple offers. It's just crazy right now. I'm mostly sticking with my investor world, so it's been going okay. But anybody in the residential world is just getting outbid. So they're just going to take a break for a while. There's no point of continuing to go and offer on all these properties every week if you're just going to get outbid by, maybe it's those Toronto buyers that are coming down to these cities all the time. So the Canadian Real Estate Association has said in January that we hit another national sales home record. And that's just 2021 has been crazy for real estate right now. Nothing has changed from 2020 to 2021. And basically, I think it's about a lack of supply that's out there. It's been a big driving factor. Heck, try to go buy a cottage right now and you're going to get blown out of the water trying to purchase it. And you're not going to be blown out of the water to the Muskokas. You're just not going to have a cottage. So personally, in January, I found that people weren't listing their homes. They wanted nobody to come into their homes, so they didn't want to put it on the market. But the people that did list their homes, they got crazy offers. So now, the nice weather's coming out. People are going to start listing their homes a lot more. And maybe, just maybe, that will start to cool off the market because there's going to be more supply out there. And people are going to have more choice. The buyers are going to have more choice. And maybe that'll just cool it off a bit. Personally, like I was saying, I'm buying a lot of investment properties right now. And in the investment property world, multifamily, so multiple duplexes, triplexes, up to 10 units, 20 units. Nobody cares that the residential world is going so hot right now. We still buy on the numbers. Like, heck, I just bought a 29 unit building, pretty much around $100,000 a unit recently. I have a video on the channel about it if you want to check it out. But, investors are still buying based on the numbers. We're not emotionally concerned about what the residential world's doing. And I'd like to know what you guys think. Do you think CMHC made the right call last year saying that there was going to be a market crash? Because clearly 2021, nothing's happening. I personally think, and go ahead, correct me down below if you guys feel it. I just feel that it's just going to cool off this summer. I don't really see everybody losing their job all of a sudden. If you guys would have told me that last year at the beginning of the pandemic, I thought there was going to be a crash. Everybody kind of did. And we all kind of looking back at 2008, thinking that there's going to be similarities, but I just don't see it right now. I don't think everybody's going to be losing their job at the exact same minute. And all of a sudden we're going to have this crazy mortgage crash. For me, in the investor world, tenants are paying on time. We're at about 99% rent collection right now. So people are paying. You hear about all the rent strikes, mostly the more luxury places in Toronto, but that's starting to stabilize again. And, now people have had a year with this pandemic. Again, the good weather's coming back up. People are finding better ways to make more money right now in different ways, working remotely. And that's why they're buying in different cities. So I just don't see it coming to the sharp market crash. I just see it kind of, stabilizing later in the summer. But, maybe I'm not wearing the tinfoil hat. Let me know if you think I'm completely wrong down below if you think we're gonna be in for this giant crash. Obviously, CMHC thought that last year. But if you guys like any of this content, make sure you guys hit the like button, you hit the subscribe button. And if you do want some money for the stock market, you guys can go to Wealthsimple. The link is in my description. You can get $10 for free when you deposit $100 and trade on the app. It's Wealthsimple. Link straight down there. We'll catch you guys on the next video. Bye.